guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Miss Lockett, the founder and CEO of Teacher Fashion on Lockett, and today is Vlogtober day number 14. Yay! I'm super excited about today. It's just gonna be a chill video. I'm actually gonna do a tag. It's called I Love Fall tag. I don't know where it originated from, where it came from, but I have the questions and I am going to do it in this video. But before we get into this video, I need you guys to do your girl a favor. I need you guys to click that subscribe button and also click that notification bell for more amazing videos. All right guys, we just gonna jump right on into it. All right, I love fall. First, let me start off by saying that I truly do love fall. I love the fall season because of the fashion. You know, you can wear your sweaters, you can wear your boots, your jeans. Like, I love fall, but I do not like the cool weather. I do not like cool weather at all, but I do like fall, and I like fall, love fall, because my birthday is in fall. Yes, I was born in November. All right, y'all, we're gonna jump right on into it. All right, the first question in this tag is, what is your favorite fall lip product? Okay, now this is a very important question. Like, in the fall, you need something on your lips, or they're gonna be chapped, or they just gonna be messed up. I would have to say my favorite lip product would have to be Carmex. Like, yeah, Carmex would have to be my favorite fall lip product. You gotta keep your lips moisturized or they will start chapping. I'm glad mine don't, but still I keep them moisturized. I do keep my lips moisturized. Even, I know we're in the pandemic and we have our mask on, I still put on lip gloss throughout the day with my mask on. So I would have to say Carmex, and right now I'm really been into my niece. She has her own business, her own beauty lash business, and she have lip glosses, and her lip gloss is actually super nice. Y'all follow Royalty Eyes on Instagram. But yeah, I've been using Carmex or either her lip gloss from her beauty line. Keep those lips moisturized. All right, question number 2. What is your favorite fall nail polish? Ooh, that's a good question. Y'all know I love to get my nails done. My nails are not done right now. I know, womp womp. And y'all know my nails stay done, but actually I took my nails off to like give them a break. Because I'm going to get my nails done over for my birthday really soon, so I'm excited about that. So yeah, my favorite nail polish in the fall, it would have to be like orange. Like, I go with the seasons. Like, that's how I pick my nail polishes. So it would probably be like gold, orange, browns, nudes. I even go as far as green. Yeah, I try to keep it in the orangey type phase. Or sometimes I might be random because I get this color all the time. This is like my go-to color. I would have to say pink. I'll get pink at any given time. Pink. But during the fall, it would have to be like those skin tone colors. Orange, brown, green, nudes, those types of colors. All right, next question. What is your favorite Starbucks fall drink? That is a good question. All right, I already told y'all guys, when I go to Starbucks, I get the same old. I get my caramel frappuccino, I get my vanilla bean. Yep, those are my favorite drinks. Or I do get their teas. Their teas are so good. But I would have to say, since I did the Starbucks try menu, I really like the apple crisp macchiato. So I'm gonna go ahead and say that for this question. I think it's apple crisp macchiato. I fell in love with that drink. Yeah, so I would have to say that. Or my regular caramel frappuccinos, the vanilla beans. Yeah, that's my favorite drink, fall drinks from Starbucks. All right, what is your favorite fall candle? Okay, I love candles, but I never like really go with the seasons on my candles. I just get the candles that I love. I love vanilla scent, so I will always get that. I love eucalyptus. That takes the stress away, the anxiety. If you want just like a relaxing time, eucalyptus is your scent. And that's, I'm like a really chill person, so that will always be my favorite candle or scent. But I would have to say, since I just did the Bath and Body Works video, I'm really feeling the pumpkin apple scent. I have my plug-in in my room. I smell it right now. I lit one of my 3 wicks candles yesterday, and I've used the pumpkin apple room spray. I just been going to every room. So that's gonna be my favorite fall scent. It's gonna have to be that pumpkin apple. And I am not a pumpkin fan, y'all, but that pumpkin and apple together, ooh, that's magic. That's magic, y'all. I'm telling y'all, try it. And I want to say this too. I got okay, perfect example. I had a pumpkin apple scented candle before I went to Bath and Body Works. I didn't like that candle. I think it depends on who's making the candles that makes you like them. You get what I'm saying? I don't know what brand candle that other one was, but I didn't like it. But Bath and Body Works, I really like it upon the smell. But that other one that I got, I don't know what brand it is, but I didn't like it. So I am going to say it depends on who make the candles. For real. Like, you can't just get any old candles. You can't just go to the dollar store. It's not gonna be the same. It depends on who candle you get. I didn't think I liked pumpkin apple, but baby, Bath and Body Works, y'all done sold me. Y'all done sold me. All right, I'm going to the next question. All right, the next question is, what is your favorite fall scarf or accessory? I love scarves. I used to wear scarves all the time, but now I really don't wear them. I don't know why. Maybe I'll get back into it this season. But I love scarves. I don't have a particular favorite scarves. I just love scarves. But I will say my favorite fall accessory that I've been wearing would have to be my Pandora bracelets. Yep, my Pandora bracelets. I just started a new bracelet. It's a travel bracelet. The goal was to do 6 trips this year. I have 2 months to see if I'm going to accomplish that goal. I've been on 4 trips. I've been to Puerto Rico. I've been to Las Vegas. Well, I've been to Florida 2 times. That should count. I went to Fort Lauderdale, and then I went to Orlando, and then I went to New York. So I kind of, if I count the 2 Florida trips, I really need 1 more trip for the year. Actually, I was going to go on a trip during fall break. I wanted to go to Cancun, y'all. I had bucked myself up to finally do my solo trip, but y'all, I punked out. So yeah, I'm just at home chilling and relaxing. Might still go home to Atlanta, because I'm just that type of girl. I'm an on the fly type person. I'll go home at any given time. So I never sit up when I'm gonna go home. I just wake up and book my flight or the ride and just go home. So yeah, I was kind of sad about the trip that I want to do to Cancun this fall break, but I'm gonna try to get it in there before this year is over. Either that, or I'm gonna have to get 1 more trip somewhere. 1 more trip somewhere. So we'll see, 1 or 2. If y'all count those 2 Florida trips as 2 different trips, then I need 1 more trip for the year. Alright, y'all, the next question. Let's see. What is your favorite haunted house, haunted hayride, or haunted corn maze? I don't like nothing haunted, so we gonna move on from that question. I am not a haunted. It's just I
don't know.
It's just no, no. The haunted house never did nothing for me. I told you guys in another, I think, tag or something that I did go to a haunted house one time. My mama took us, my oldest sisters, all my sisters took us to a haunted house, and I do remember that. And I don't know, I wasn't fond of it because let me tell y'all about this experience. To get out the haunted house, first off, what I remember from the haunted house is I had to go to a funeral in the haunted house, and it wasn't a regular old chapel. It was literally a hallway about this wide, and you literally up on the casket like this, and I think the casket might have popped open. Y'all terrified me. And then I do remember from that haunted house, in order for you to get out, you had to walk through a morgue. So it was just like all these bodies on them hospital beds covered with the sheets, and all of a sudden all these little mummies started getting up. So y'all, to make a long story short, I've never been into the haunted anything. Haunted house, haunted hayride, haunted. I love fall. That's why I'm doing this tag. I love fall tag. But I'm not into Halloween like that. No. The holiday, the real holiday, is the next day after Halloween, which is my birthday. So yeah, we gonna move past that question. No, I'm not into the haunted nothing. All right, next question, y'all. What is your favorite Halloween movie? That's so easy. Hocus Pocus. Yes, I can watch that movie every day. Hocus Pocus. And that's crazy because it's been fall for a while and I have not watched it. So that might be what I do tonight. Watch my favorite movies. Hocus Pocus. Do I have any other favorite Halloween movies? No, that's my favorite movie. I love it. I smell children. All right, going to the next one. What is your favorite candy to eat on Halloween? Y'all, I love candy. So on Halloween, I'm eating all the candy. If you give me candy, I don't care what it is. Chocolate, hard candy, chewies, gummies. I love candy. So that's the candy I'm eating on Halloween, whatever candy I get. But I will say this, my favorite Halloween candy is candy corn. Well, not that turkey apple pie one. If y'all seen my candy corn, if you haven't seen my candy corn review, go check it out, y'all. For one, I didn't know candy corn had that many different brands or flavors or whatever. But yeah, I love candy corn, the classic candy corn. So that's my favorite Halloween candy, the classic candy corn. All right, next question. What are you dressing up as for Halloween? Girl, Miss Lockett. Dressing up as myself. I am not into Halloween, y'all. I'm not gonna even lie. Some years I do go out, I buy costumes. I done had, y'all see my what you call it, my little Halloween VLOGtober intro, and I got on my costumes. I do costumes, but I never go all out like, oh, for Halloween let me be a fairy. No. And most of my Halloween costumes, I just picked some clothes out my closet and I made it myself. Like that, who did I do? Miss Frizzle. That's actually my favorite Halloween costume I've done. I just went in my closet, got a black dress, cut out some stars, some planets, pasted on me, got me a little iguana, set it up there, and honey, and that was that. But Halloween, I'm not into Halloween. I don't think I'm gonna get a costume this year. No, it's not nothing important to me. So yeah, that's that, y'all. Nah, I'm not doing a Halloween costume. All right, y'all, next question. What is your favorite thing about fall? I already told y'all at the beginning of the video. I forgot. I didn't know that was one of the questions. So my birthday in fall. Yes, my birthday in fall fashion. I'm not the most fashionable person. I tell y'all this all the time, but I love fall fashion. I love the whole boots and sweaters and denim jeans, denim jackets. long sleeves, scarves, accessories. I love everything about fall fashion. So that would have to be my favorite thing I love about fall. My birthday, fall fashion, the fact that you get candy from Halloween. That's the only thing I really probably do like about Halloween. And yeah, that's it. Yep. Alright, I think I'm done. Y'all, that was the last question. Yay! Alright guys, thank you for tuning in to Vlogtober day number 14. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Y'all, I'm super proud of myself. I'm halfway there. Tomorrow will be halfway there. 15. Yeah, I have 16 more videos to do after tomorrow. So I know I'm gonna make it because I'm just a disciplined, consistent person. So yeah, thank you guys for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe. Y'all, I'm still trying to get to 1,500, y'all. Help me out. And share, y'all. Share this video. And after this video, watch one more video. That'll help me out too. Just watch one of my videos that you haven't watched. Alright guys, I'll see you guys on tomorrow. Vlogtober 15. Here we go.
Be sure to hit the subscribe button and also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok at Teacher Fashion on Lock_ETT.